Welcome to PhoneTech Chronicle. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a new flagship phone expected to launch soon. It will have a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, 16GB RAM, and 512GB storage, with a larger 1TB option in some places. The phone features a high-quality 6.73-inch AMOLED screen with HDR10+ support and a fingerprint scanner. Its main highlight is its camera setup, including 450MP cameras for versatile photography. It can shoot in high resolutions and slow motion. The phone boasts a large 5300 mAh battery with fast wired and wireless charging. Other features include NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and dual SIM slots. It's designed with a sleek aluminum frame and comes in white or black with vegan leather backs. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a powerful flagship phone set to launch on February 25th. Why not hit that subscribe button now? By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when new videos are uploaded.